Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with EDC at number 1, followed by FET, XMR, APT, XLM, Render, HBAR, ARB Arbitrum, and then Filecoin at number 40. Let's get straight into it. Ethereum Classic against BTC. So we are under the skinny pink line. We are still in a downward trend, so we respect the skinny pink line on Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic against USD doesn't look good. We were actually anticipating Ethereum Classic to stay above the skinny pink line and just consolidate and break out, but it's not happening. There's also a danger that we could be coming back lower to clear all of these lows. There is that danger. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen, but for Ethereum Classic, we don't have any strong opinions. Fetch against BTC. Here we are for Fetch. Fetch is already touching the skinny pink line, which is not something we want to see. We want to see Fetch maintain its move above the skinny pink line. But we're already here. So more likely than not, we're going to spend some time under the skinny pink line. Doesn't mean we're going to fall immediately. If let's say we look at the past, right? We did touch it, but we rose a little bit before heading lower. Right? But the point is, the moment you touch the skinny pink line, you don't want to be putting on longs for it. The USD pair is also touching the skinny pink line. It's not good. So yeah, Fetch is just not in a good place at the moment. So I will preach caution about rushing in. But Fetch doesn't really respect the skinny pink line. It actually did touch it, but it came back up. Touching it, how are you gonna come back up? Again, we're not too sure. So yeah, but AI is a very strong narrative at the moment. Monero against BTC. We are still under the skinny pink line, still in a downward trend. No clear signs of a bullish reversal yet. These could actually be these, you see. Right? Sure, we could still dip and rise a bit higher, but Monero overall has been in a downwards trend again. It's BTC, which means that if you had put your money all into BTC, you would have done much better than to be in Monero. Against USD, Monero is, let's look at it on Gate. Yeah, it's just marking around, going sideways. Nothing much for us to work with. Aptos against BTC. So here we are for Aptos against BTC, still under the skinny pink line. Yeah, you see lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Are we gonna see a rally for Aptos eventually? Hopefully. But when will the rally come? We don't know. Could we still drop a little bit lower? Yes. Maybe sweep the lows over here first before reversing. Of course. Of course. So as it stands, still no signs of a bullish reversal for Aptos BTC yet. Aptos against USD, we are under the skinny pink line. We are anticipating the possibility of an ABCDE here. But will we get it? We're not too sure. Right, we were saying that maybe we might drop to this level, and after that we might see a strong rally. But this is not a strong rally. So as it stands, there is a danger that Aptos could still head lower to this noisy area over here at sub $4. So I would preach caution though for Aptos. At this point of time, we still don't have any confirmation, no clarity. So stay safe. Stellar Lumens against BTC. We are still under the skinny pink line, just like what you're seeing on Monero. We were anticipating Stellar Lumens to stay above these lows, but we have already cleared it. So this is not good. It's not good at all. So there's nothing much for Stellar Lumens against BTC. Against USD, Stellar has already broken the support. And we have 2 targets fresh out of the oven. I don't know if you're going to be hitting 3 cents, but we have a 4 cents target and a 3 cents target. All right, 5 cents, we acquired this way back in April 2024. And we're still loyal to our 5 cents target. Yes, there could be rallies here and there though, but I will still anticipate Stellar to hit lower, potentially hitting at least target number 1, right? But we have another target at 3 cents, so again, I can't say for sure, but more likely than not, we should be clearing 5 cents, then probably 4 cents, and I'm not too sure about 3 cents, but we have a target for 3 cents, so I will still preach caution about going long for Stellar. I still think Stellar is going to drop based on the price action. Sure, Stellar could also turn into a bullish chart pattern over here. Right. But as it stands, yeah, I will be preaching caution. So stay safe, boys and girls. Where are we? Render! Okay, Render doesn't look good at all. Render has a descending triangle over here. You see this? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, mountain tree. We're about to waterfall down, and we have two targets over here, fresh out of the oven at 579 and 469 for render BTC. We are right at the cliff's edge. It's about to zip lower, in my opinion, for render. This is a potentially a bearish reversal chart pattern that could bring us really, really low, right? And there's so many clusters of cells here. We can even take out this target, right? But the target that we have lowest at 469 takes us to this. So I will preach caution for render. I think render is going to drop. So if anything, this could be a insanely profitable trade at 57%. But if you must be able to manage your risk well. Render against USD. Here we are for render. We've touched the skinny pink line. I don't really like it, but it is what it is. And if you see bearishness on the BTC pair, very likely we're going to see render USD follow suit. Right, we have a target over here at $4.13. We're $6.37 right now. And again, there was a descending triangle over here. Right, it's like a leading indicator. It's already broken the support. And we are, to be honest, this is what you call a second chance entry. Right, break, hover around at resistance before continuing lower. So there could be a move over here that we can take a trade on, right? But you must know what you're doing, right? You must have proper risk management. And I think it's gonna drop to 413. That's the target that we have. Noisy area over here. 413 ties in very well. So more downside for render, right? We hit 413, we can even rise a little bit higher, right? And this whole thing could be an ABC, which could take us even lower, right? To $2. There's a $2 potential actually. So again, I will preach caution, right? I suspect that we are going to build mountains over here before heading to $2 and even lower to $1. Potentially, again, it's we can't see what's going to happen over here. But once you cross the skinny pink line, yeah, that's not good. And there's a bearish chart pattern over here, right? So, okay, let me give you another example, right? There was a bearish chart pattern over here, right? This was a head and shoulders, if you look at it carefully. Left shoulder here, head, right shoulder. We did fall. However, the difference was that this head and shoulders was a distance away from the skinny pink line, right? If the head and shoulders was here, right at the cliff's edge at the skinny pink line, then yeah, it will be bad, right? Which is what's happening right here. The head and shoulders is right at the cliff edge, So this could be a very fast zip down. So yeah, there you go. That's my take for render. If anything, it's a downer. It's a downer. HBAR against BTC. HBAR against BTC still in a downward trend. We are hoping that the HBAR wheels do not take out these lows, because if we take out these lows, we can be following the fate of Stellar Lumens like we have just seen, and also potentially Monero, right? As it just collapses and slowly bleed itself against BTC, a very slow beat. So yeah, for me, be careful though, be careful. Against USD, HBAR, we have a target, fresh out of the oven at 391. So we're anticipating HBAR to hit much lower. Yes, it's not looking good to me. There was a nice rally over here, but as soon as we rallied, right, we got slapped back down. And now here we are. There is a support of sorts over here, and we've kind of broken it already, right? We've taken out these lows and we've closed under it. So I'm anticipating more downside. It may not be one direct fell swoop towards the downside. We might consolidate here and there, zigzag first before heading lower, but the target is 391, sub 4 cents. I'm also assuming that we'll probably clear all of these lows. So I would preach caution. I would preach caution for HBAR. If anything, it's a downer. Atom against BTC. Here we are for Atom. Are we looking for Atom? No, good. Under the skinny pink line. Yep. So it's like we are always hoping that we stay above this low, right? Especially for BTC pairs. Because once you take it out, again, I kid you not, but Atom could be on a very slow bleed down against BTC. Going down the pits of hell. So it's just down, 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 down. No signs of a reversal, bullish reversal. Right? You might get that for a very, very, very long time. Atom against USD with a fresh target over here. Not fresh. 340. A target which we acquired in May is already July. And we're still loyal to our targets. We're still anticipating all these clusters of cells to be taken out. So that's our Atom target. $3.40. It's not looking good, boys and girls. It's not looking good. Arbitrum against BTC. Here we are for ARB. ARB is the most disappointing L2. Anyway, the moment we cross the skinny pink line, that's it. We don't look back. It just keeps dropping lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. Right? The hope is always that we don't take out these lows, right? We might do something like this, but we've already taken it out, so it's just collapsing against BTC. Not to say that it's not a legit project, but it's gone. It's gone. Any signs of a bullish reversal? No. Anything for us to work with? No. So we move on from Arbitrum. Filecoin, another disappointing coin. Filecoin against BTC again. Oh my god. Where is the end? We don't know. We keep forming lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. Are we gonna see a rally and form another lower low and rally and lower low? Like what's been happening for Filecoin? Rally, lower low, rally, lower low, rally. You see this? The demise of the coin is forming lower lows against BTC. So that's looking like Filecoin at the moment. Filecoin against USD. Yeah, we have a target over here, $2. There's a great danger for Filecoin in the sense that this whole thing could be seen as a head and shoulders. I don't know if it's going to go that low or not, but we could be going past $1 into single cents, right? But anyway, left shoulder hit, right? If we do rally over here and get a proper right shoulder, this could be trouble for Filecoin. So yeah, but anyway, we have a target over here at $2. We're gonna talk about $2 first. So here we go for $2. We are in a rally right now. Will we get a right shoulder first before heading towards $2 potentially? Filecoin is not looking good at the moment, right? Filecoin actually did have a very nice, we love this, very nice ABCD, right? We were expecting fireworks. Yeah, fireworks came down instead. So such is the markets, right? You have zero control over what happens. You can only buy, click to enter your position, or sell to enter your position, and then exit. That's it. Enter, exit. Whatever else happens in the market, zero. We have zero control over it. So yeah, there is that danger though. So watch out for a right shoulder, right? Any rally, you should be wary of, because this rally, because the rally could turn really bearish, could form a very big bearish chart pattern. So stay safe, boys and girls. And yeah, we're expecting $2 for Filecoin. All right, boys and girls. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And stay safe. If anything, I think there are plenty of short opportunities. I would love to be wrong. And I would love to see the markets rise back up. But technically, what I see is bearishness. So stay safe and don't rush into anything. All right, see you in the next one. Have a great day.